Welcome to Bike Rider. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 model of the Kawasaki Versys 650, a bike that blends touring capability with nimble handling for everyday use and weekend escapes alike. Let's break down what makes it stand out. The 2025 Versys 650 carries forward the proven 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine tuned for strong low to mid-range torque, delivering 67 horsepower, 49 kilowatts at 8,500 revolutions per minute and 61 Nm at 7,000 revolutions per minute. But it's not just about power. Kawasaki has added a full-color 4.3-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity, an adjustable 4-position windscreen, full LED lighting and traction control, KTRC, with 2 riding modes. The styling has also been refreshed. The upper cowl takes inspiration from the Versys 1000, giving it sharper, more modern adventure bike looks. Performance and ride feel. On the road, the Versys 650's engine delivers usable performance rather than explosive power, perfect for mixed use. The long travel suspension, 150mm front, 145mm rear, and 17-inch wheels help it remain composed across twisty tarmac and less perfect surfaces. The upright riding position invites both daily commutes and longer rides. With a seat height of 845mm and a ground clearance of 170mm, it's adventure-ready without being excessively large. Brake hardware is solid, twin 300mm front discs and a 250mm rear disc, both pedal style, providing reliable stopping power. Technology and comfort features. Comfort and user-friendly features are becoming more important, and this model delivers. The windscreen's adjustability helps tame wind buffeting at higher speeds, while the slim, upright ergonomics make it friendly for everyday use. The TFT display with smartphone integration means you can connect and monitor ride data, calls or navigation from the cockpit. Traction control adds a layer of safety in slippery conditions. Plus, LED lighting adds both style and improved visibility. Practicality and touring potential. With a 21-liter fuel tank, the Versys 650 is built to go longer between stops, an important measure for touring or longer commutes. The weight is around 218 kilograms, curb, in many markets. That means you need to be comfortable with a reasonable heft, but for what you get, comfort, capability, and versatility, it hits a strong balance. If you're heading out with a passenger or luggage, this machine is ready. Accessories from Kawasaki, like panniers or top cases, can further enhance tour readiness. Who should ride it and final thoughts? If you're someone looking for one bike that handles daily city work, weekend twisty roads, and occasional longer rides, the Versys 650 is very compelling. It might not be the most extreme sport bike, but its strength lies in versatility, rider comfort and dependable technology. As one rider put it about a similar generation. Comfortable. I just finished a 6,700-mile ride in 12 days. Fully loaded, camp gear. It performed flawlessly. If you're taller than average, you might